Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of numbers, but specifically your numbers. So, if you have QuickBooks and you're outsourcing your bookkeeping, congratulations. Give yourself a pat on the back because you're ahead of the curve. So, let's talk about the reports your bookkeeper sends you. First off, are you receiving monthly reports? And if so, what kind? I'd like to share my screen with you and show you a profit and loss statement, both monthly and yearly. If your bookkeeper isn't sending you those reports, I highly recommend you request them. So these reports aren't just a bunch of sheets of numbers. They determine the financial health of your business. As the saying goes, knowing is half the battle. So understanding your money is going to be key to making informed decisions. Are you overspending on payroll? Is your investment in a marketing company yielding the results that you want? These reports allow you to navigate such questions and make smart financial decisions. So give me a moment here while I share my screen. Okay, I hope that everybody is able to see my screen. Oops, I got some testimonials up here. Hold on one moment. Okay, so let's first dive into a profit and loss statement for the month or by month. So what is your best month? And have you noticed any patterns of inconsistencies? For instance, if you're planning to raise your prices, it's wise to do it before your peak season and not after. So when you look at a profit and loss monthly and you can see how you're doing every month, you'll see that if you had a large number in July, you can ask yourself, what did I do in May and June to cause that spike in July? And as I mentioned, if you're going to raise your prices, if you know that July is a big month every single year, it's a wise decision to raise your prices in June and not September. So this is a very important report. And as you can see, the numbers are pretty consistent for this sample. Now, if you all of a sudden saw like $750 here or $1,000, but everything else was consistent, you would want to open it and look at it and say, what did I do? Does this make sense? Is there something off? So this is a profit and loss monthly. If you are not getting this report from your bookkeeper, I highly suggest you ask for it. The next report is super exciting. So this is a profit and loss yearly. Have you ever saw this report before? It's astounding how many entrepreneurs haven't. Yet this report truly reflects your business's success. And this is when entrepreneurs actually want to show their spouses. They're like, oh, can my husband be on the next meeting? Can my husband see this? Year after, you can go back as far as till you had QuickBooks, when you started QuickBooks, and you can see year over year how your business has done. We tend to see it go up, 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 up. And it is so exciting to see how you've done over the years because you're always working in the current year and you're always forecasting the future. But do you ever take a moment and step back and say, wow, my first year of business, I only made $19,000, but this year I made $119,000. Like, that is awesome. So celebrate the steps as you go. If you have never saw this report, I highly suggest you ask your bookkeeper to send you this report. You will get such success looking at this report, I hope. And so success isn't just about being in business. If you find yourself constantly struggling financially, with negatives at the bottom of the year or less than $5,000, simply hiring a new bookkeeper won't fix the underlying issues. We often see that entrepreneurs are not even figured in the salaries and wages. They're not paying themselves. They're not getting paid. And so if you find yourself struggling with finances, and if looking at your numbers doesn't give you clarity or fix the problem, there's probably an underlying issue. And if you if you don't fix the fundamental problem now, making more money isn't going to solve the problem. You will have the same mistakes at 119,000 that you did at 19. You can see that this person, 4 years, their income has went up significantly, but their bottom line, not so much. And this is a trend we often see. So the question lies is your payroll too high? Is your marketing not getting a return on investment? Are your price margins, are you not pricing your services correctly? So this is when having an accountant can be transformative, helping you structure your business, lay out a solid foundation, and set strategic plans. Businesses don't plan to fail, they fail to plan. So let's remember, it's not about having the numbers, it's about understanding the numbers, analyzing them, and using them to drive your business forward. So let's connect, learn, and grow together. And one more thing, you can keep joining me live every Thursday and utilizing all the free services we provide to you, all the free resources. But are you taking action? Take action today by booking a free strategy session. I'll drop a link in the comments, and I'd love to meet you. And if we're a good fit and you want to work with us, I would love to empower you with financial clarity. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. If there's a specific topic you would like Smashing Numbers to cover, let us know in the comments, and we would love to bring on our tax expert or accounting experts or whoever it is that you would like to answer a question for you. So I hope that you have a fabulous Thursday. Keep working hard and let us know if you have any questions. And I look forward to meeting you. Have a great day. Bye.